Hello everyone, my name is Henry. I'm 13 years old. So Thai food is a traditional of Vietnam, and we need in in our country have most traditional food, and my country has traditional most of flavor food, and we like it. It's green bean cake. So green bean cakes is made from green beans, sugar, and vegetable oil. It have a light yellow color. When we eat it has a sweet, tasty, and a special things we eat it. So green cake can make a dirty. When we have lunch or dinner, we eat it with some hot tea or green tea. So green bean cakes is a flavor most like of children and elderly in Hai Dương. About me, my favorite is green bean cake because green bean cakes, when I'm hungry, it can have me food for it, and my brother eat like it too. So green cakes is the most of my country, and I can't have it in taste. So thank you and goodbye.